Disastrous beauty. Disastrous beauty. It's disastrous beauty. It's the wig for me. It's disastrous beauty. Change up your look daily. Disastrous. It's disastrous beauty. It's the wig for me. It's disastrous beauty, baby. It's disastrous beauty. Change up.
Just take a look at yourself. Do you really think it's gonna help if you always fighting yourself, trying to forget how you felt? Just take a look at yourself. Can't even be your own friend, cause you're way too stuck in your head. How do you think it's gonna end? Nothing that they could do, nothing that they could say, nothing that they could do to take all the pain away. Sometimes it works out and sometimes it don't. Sometimes you win some and sometimes you won't. But we could be everything, everything, anything that we see we could be. We could be everything that we want. We could be everything, everything, anything that we see we could be. We could be anything that we want. You think if they said it, then they must mean it. So you should feel it, somehow you think that you need it. Others' opinions, to know how you're feeling, to know if you're losing or winning, left behind or within it. If you're sinking or swimming, existing or living. Nothing that they could do, nothing that they could say, nothing that they could do to take all the pain away. Sometimes it works out and sometimes it don't. Sometimes you win some and sometimes you won't. But we could be everything, everything, anything that we see we could be. We could be everything that we want. We could be everything, everything, anything that we see we could be. We could be anything that we want. But we could be everything, everything, anything that we see we could be. We could be everything that we want. We could be everything, everything, anything that we see we could be. We could be anything that we want. Just take a look at yourself. Do you really think it's gonna help if you always fighting yourself, trying to forget how you felt? Just take a look at yourself. Can't even be your own friend, cause you're way too stuck in your head. How do you think it's gonna end? Nothing that they could do, nothing that they could say, nothing that they could do to take all the pain away. Sometimes it works out and sometimes it don't. Sometimes you win some and sometimes you won't. But we could be everything, everything, anything that we see we could be. We could be everything that we want. We could be everything, everything, anything.
Alright y'all, so I'm obviously finished styling this wig and this is what I got. If you're interested in the details and specs and all those good things about this wig, then please continue to watch. Okay, so the unit that I am rocking was sent to me by Geniuswigs. Shout out to you, Geniuswigs, for sending me this unit and sponsoring this video. I truly do appreciate it. So the wig that they sent me, I'm just gonna read out the bag for now. It says Geniuswigs Crystal Lace 13 by 6.5 lace front wig. It's kinky straight, 22 inches and 150% density. Okay, so I want to go ahead and talk about the curly baby hairs. That's some of the talking points for this unit. And as you guys saw at the beginning, and I'll just like insert a clip or something so you guys can see, the unit came with very, very curly baby hairs. They were pretty dense, so I did decide to sleek them down. And I also want to show you guys, when you do have those curly baby hairs like that, it takes away from having to curl them. You know, like we went through this trend where we were using the little flat iron to curl the baby hairs and then swoop it. Well, when you have the hair that is already curled, then it's easier to swoop. So yeah, I want to throw that out there as well. Also, I know that the baby hair trend is not for everybody. Okay, I get it. So you can also straighten them and it'll give it a supernatural look, or you can swoop it like I decided to do. So I wanted to throw that out there so you guys know, like, that's what I did with my baby hairs, but they do come curled. And also with this lace just kind of melts in. I don't know if you guys saw that, but the lace just melts in. The lace is lacing, okay? I didn't bleach this unit. I didn't tweeze this unit. How you guys see her is how old girl woke up. And on the side, here you can still see some of the curls from the hair, which does give it a more realistic appearance. And the knots, yeah. The knots are definitely really small. Like I said, I didn't bleach them whatsoever. Okay, and they have on here, and I'm just going through the talking points that they asked me to talk on, because you guys know I can't, my memory is like this, so I have to look at stuff. But I also wanted to talk about that this unit is glueless. You guys know the glueless thing never works for me. I don't know why. I don't know what I'm doing. I don't know what it is about my head, but glueless does not like me. Okay, it just don't. So I didn't do that, but you can wear this unit glueless. So I want to throw that out there as well. You know, despite the fact that I didn't do it, it can be done. It is a glueless wig. Okay, now I'm technically wearing it glueless, but I did use adhesive. So I want to throw that out there as well. Okay, so on here it says Geniuswigs brown color kinky straight genius kinky edges pre-plucked 13x4 crystal lace front human hair wig for black women. Child, I thought we were past for the black women thing, child. I'll give you a bit of a pass since it is kinky hair. Okay. All right, so this unit is available in 10 to 24 inches. All being even numbers, and you can get it in 150, 200, or 250. Now mind you, they said mine is 150, and as you guys can see, she's thicker than my baby cousin Ashley. Okay, and that's 150, so I can only imagine what 200 and 250 looks like. It's available in the 360 wig cap if you want a 360. Or you can get the 13 by 6.5, which is what I have. And they do have these units in small, large, and medium cap size. It just will take an additional day, 7 days, if you get it in the small and large. So those are all the details with this unit. As far as shedding and tangling, girl, it's a kinky straight wig. I didn't expect it to do none of the things. Like at some point it probably will, but straight out of the packaging I did not expect it. No, girl, did not. It is big head friendly, but I would suggest you get whatever cap size you wear since they have it available. So because I am an average cap size, okay, so I don't think too much about it. But if you have a small head or you have a larger head, then I would definitely just recommend you getting whatever size you wear. And yeah, that is pretty much it as far as the details and specs go. If you're interested in my pros and cons as well as a full 360, then please continue to watch. All right, y'all, so we're gonna start with the cons because you know I like to end on a high note. My con with this unit is the parting space. Y'all know that is just like a typical con for a lot of the units that I get that are 13 by 6s. Now, honey, the part is parting up here. Even though I did a C part, I could have definitely got away with doing a regular part with this unit because in that middle area there's a lot of parting space, but on the sides there's not. And like I said, that is typically a thing that I've noticed with the more high-end companies. So yeah, that is going to be my con. Now my pros is, first of all, y'all know I love this color. Okay, I love this color. This is, I say this in every video where I wear a brown wig. This is my natural hair color. Okay, I messed it up a long time ago, but this is the color my natural hair was. Okay, so I love this color. It's super nostalgic for me, I guess. I also love that the unit came pre-tweezed. I love the curly, the baby. Y'all know I'm a sucker for the baby hair edges. I think it is dope. But I love that. I love that it's pre-tweezed and pre-bleached because I'm lazy. And I love the crystal lace. So those are all my pros. Yes, I would obviously recommend this wig. I feel like because it's so easy to style and do all that stuff, it makes it extremely beginner friendly, as well as all the things that I listed as pros. So yes, I would definitely recommend this unit, or basically any unit I have gotten from this company I have loved. So definitely check them out. All right, I'm gonna give you guys this full 360 so we can wrap this thing all the way up. So this is obviously the unit in the front. This is it on the left side. This is it in the back. Keep in mind I am 5'4". And this is it on the right side. So yeah, y'all, let me know down below what you guys think. Let me know if you are feeling this unit as much as I am. I am interested in your thoughts and opinions. Sound off down below in the comments. And once again, shout out to you, Geniuswigs, for sending me this unit and sponsoring this video. I truly, truly do appreciate it. And if you are interested in purchasing this unit, I will have a direct link to it down below in the description box for your convenience. And yeah, girl, that's all. That's all. So if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. If you have any questions or you feel like I may have left out, feel free to comment down below. And if you're not already subscribed, girl, click the subscribe button. It's not gonna cost you not one red cent. And if you're not ready to follow me on all my social media platforms, I am DizastrousBeauty on both IG and TikTok. I'm Health Miss C on Snapchat and on DizastrousB on Twitter. And I will see you love bugs next time. Bye.
The looks you love completely. Got every style and we